Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Sync 3 software and map region so you download the correct package. This avoids mismatches. Once confirmed, format a 3264 GB USB to FAT32 or XFAT, then copy only the update folders at the drive root. Make sure to preserve the original file names and folder structure, because Sync detects updates by those exact paths. If you're using a dealer-supplied file, trust their instructions, but still inspect the folders before you leave. You now move to the vehicle. Park, start the engine, and insert the prepared USB into the front port. Sync should auto-detect the update. If not, go to Settings General Software Update and select Install. Follow prompts to accept terms and begin. The process can take 30–90 minutes depending on file size. Make sure not to turn off the engine, cycle the ignition, or yank the USB. Interrupting the install can corrupt maps and require dealer reflash. You finish by letting Sync complete its final restart. Once the head unit reboots, confirm the new map version under About. If navigation still shows old maps, remove and reinsert the USB or repeat the install on a freshly formatted drive. Sometimes a corrupted transfer causes failure. Should errors persist, make sure your VIN matches the map region, and then contact your dealer for a reflash or diagnostic scan. They can restore files safely if Sync became unresponsive during update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.